Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Jahangir, teacher UCEP Bangladesh. Today's lesson tag question part 01. See examples first and then rules and exercises. 1. I'm right. 1. I'm right, aren't I? 2. Shut up. 2. Shut up, can't you, can you, will you? 3. Don't forget. 3. Don't forget, will you? 4. Move a bit. 4. Move a bit, would you, will you, can you? 5. Let's go for a walk. 5. Let's go for a walk, shall we? 6. You never say what you are going. 6. You never say what you are going, do you? 7. There is little we can do about it. 7. There is little we can do about it, is there? 8. Somebody wanted a pizza. 8. Somebody wanted a pizza, didn't they? 9. He has a daughter. 9. He has a daughter, hasn't he, doesn't he? 10. There weren't any issues. 10. There weren't any issues, were there? 11. Rabbi wants to be an actor. 11. Rabbi wants to be an actor, doesn't he? 12. Jeba visited you yesterday. 12. Jeba visited you yesterday, didn't she? 13. Karim wasn't in the class. 13. Karim wasn't in the class, was he? Rule 01. The sentence and the question tag must be in the same tense. Rule 02. For negative question tag, use the contracted form of helping verb and not, e.g. didn't, hadn't, won't, etc. Rule 03. If the sentence is positive, the question tag must be negative and vice versa. Rule 04. Always use pronoun in the question tag. Thanks for active watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Learn with Jahangir Sir.